Have a beautiful weekend.
Why Grazi make it class today? Why?
Ok, é mesmo.
Before me.
Como é que fala?
Change the schedule.
Yes, a little. Because I have a student, his name is Célio, and Célio asked me to have classes with me on Friday at 7 because he's doing now post-graduation. So Célio, I have another student, and I asked Grazi, can you change your schedule with Célio? Is that okay? Can you have class at 5 so you are free for the weekend at 5? And Célio will have class after you, Júlio. And Júlio, you are going to talk to Célio for a few minutes after your class, and that's it.
Yes.
Class, after my class,
before
there is a student. Before, no. After my class, there is a student. The name is Raíssa.
Before your class.
Before my class, there is a Raíssa, and I
don't know.
Raíssa speak English very well.
Okay.
And talk to me for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Raíssa humiliate me. Every class.
Ô, Júlio, você gosta de mim porque eu sou burra? Você fica melhor que eu.
No. But with you, I can speak English.
Okay. I don't understand.
Guys, Raíssa is a scientist.
Okay.
She's a scientist, guys. Come on. Yes, and I am an English teacher. Julio is a lawyer. Guys, Raíssa is a scientist. Guys. Okay?
Júlio, não liga pra ele, tá? Ele está humilhando a gente. Tchau, embora.
See you later, Grazi. Have a nice weekend. See you on Monday.
Next time, I invited you participate.
Yes.
My class.
Okay. Okay. We can.
Don't speak.
Okay. We can have classes together.
Yes. We will do.
You don't need the teacher.
Yes, I don't need.
No, you don't need the teacher. No. Thank you, Grazi. See you later. Have a nice weekend. Hugs. But Americans don't say it, but that's okay.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Wow. Let's go now with Julio. I took my pee. I'm free to go. How are you, mister? You good?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Today's Friday.
Today's Friday. Yeah, man. Of course I'm good. Today's Friday. After you, I have one more class. I'm going to send some homeworks, and that's it.
And after beers?
Much beer.
Much beers, okay, right.
But don't say much beers. Don't say much beers. No. Much beer.
Really? Much beer.
Beer. Okay.
Much beer.
Okay. You were going to say something.
Yes, I told you. I tell you about I bought the Jeep. Jeep.
Car?
Jeep is a big car, higher car.
Really?
Outdoor car. Big car.
You got a new car?
Yes.
So you sold your car?
No. My car is the same.
You have the same car, but now you have also a Jeep also.
Jeep also.
Nice, man. That's great.
Nice, man. Nice. I want I want a very long time.
Okay, so you are going to do something. Let's use this card as a topic today. You are going to share. Do you know how to share the screen here?
Yes.
You are going to show me the car and show me what this car has. Show me the differentials on the car. For example, oh, Rodolfo, this car has this. And this is different because of this and that. Understand?
Yes, yes.
To share your screen, you press the share button.
Share, let's go.
Then you press share screen. Share screen again. Then you need to press. Great, you got it. You got it.
You see my.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Okay.
Nice, man. I'm happy for you. You got a new car, man. That's so exciting.
Yes, yes. My car is here.
Prosecutor.
Wait. The picture on my cell phone.
Okay.
Not in my computer.
All right. Okay.
But
you are going to send yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
And the Clara. Let's talk about car.
Yes. Yes. Talking about cars is very useful. Talking about cars is very useful. Why? Because sometimes we rent a car. We are traveling and we rent a car and we need to know the basics. This is very important. And when you're driving a car, in another country, basically everything is the same. The idea when you're driving is the same, but some names, they are a little different. So this is your new car, man. This looks so cool,
this is
man.
my new car, man.
Whoa!
Big car, higher car.
Yeah.
And tomorrow I experiment.
So you didn't get it yet. You're going to get it.
Yes, I'm going to try.
Man, it looks badass. It looks
Badass.
I mean, it looks. When I see this car, I just imagine it can go anywhere.
Yes.
Anywhere.
Yes.
And this car is a custom car, right? It's adapted.
Yes, right. Yes, adapted. The name is Agir.
Okay.
And
it looks cool, man.
Change the wheels. The big wheels.
Okay.
The outdoor wheels.
Okay.
And more higher.
You
higher.
don't.
The
Yes.
car is higher. Okay, no more higher. Only higher. Okay. It's higher.
So I imagine when you are. I know you didn't try the car yet, but when you are driving on the street, for example, downtown, you are higher.
I have the car.
Oh, you
the
have.
Car is in the. Yes, I have.
Oh,
now.
great. Nice. So you didn't try different roads with the car.
Yes.
Not yet.
Yes.
But when you are, for example, on the street driving downtown, you are higher than everybody, right?
Yes.
It's like a truck.
Like a truck. That's it.
Great. Okay, tell me more. I'm loving it because I really like design and cars. I really like it. So tell me the features. Features.
I like
features. What the car has that it's kind of different. What are the special things about this car? The features of this car.
Features is like a characteristic.
Yes, I'm trying. Yes, kind of. I'm trying to translate here, but it's difficult to translate. Características is an okay translation. Okay translation. Okay.
Okay. The car, I don't know. Say that there's more higher for outdoor.
Okay.
I bought the car That's way.
Okay.
This car was my friend.
Your friend's car was my friend's. Was my friend's.
Was my friend's. Okay.
Yes.
The car is not big.
Compact.
Inside.
It's kind of compact.
Yes, compact.
Okay.
Kind of compact. Okay.
Compared
have,
to your car, to the black car you have, this car
yes.
is smaller. It doesn't have the space you have in the other car. Because your other car, it's really big inside.
Really, yes.
And this is not the case.
Not the case.
Okay.
It's different. Smaller.
Smaller.
Than my other car.
Good English.
Yes, man. Today's Friday. I drank now.
You speak good English, right?
Yes. I speak. Mira la flexibilidade. Hola, que tal?
Daijobu. Do korasai. Continue, please. Sodo korasai. Continue, please.
Let's go. And I'm going to the outdoor road tomorrow.
Great.
With my friends. My friends bought another Jeep.
You can say Jeep. Yeah, Jeep.
Okay. And I'm happy, man.
I'm happy that you're happy. And I can see this is a diesel car.
No, it's a gasoline.
It's a gas car.
Gas car, yes.
It's a gas car.
But the car is flex.
Okay, so alcohol or ethanol and gasoline, right?
Yes, right.
But I imagine if you use ethanol in this car, is the result strong? Is the car powerful with ethanol?
Yes, more.
More?
More
Powerful than gasoline?
More powerful. Yes. And the ethanol.
Ethanol.
Is more. Ethanol is powerful than gasoline.
Okay, but for example, I have a Uno, the yellow Uno. You know that yellow Uno?
Yes, okay. I know. I see your.
In my house.
Park a lot. Parking.
Park it.
Yes. Parked is estacionado.
In my house.
Estacionamento ou garagem.
Garage or park? No, garage. Garage is not garage. Garage. No, garage is mecânica in English. Ok? Estacionamento é parking lot.
Parking lot in house?
No, but in this case, in my house, you can say garage, but in this case, don't say garage or parking lot. Just say in your house. Just this.
In your house. Okay.
Yes, it's simpler. In your house. Okay? So, for example, my car is a flex car. And when I put alcohol in my car, when I put ethanol, I don't feel my car very strong.
Yes, I think because it's a little difference. 2 horse, 3 horse,
okay.
5 horse.
Okay, it's a small difference. And considering this car, it's a big car, the difference is not so big when you put ethanol, for example, right?
No, the difference is same.
Okay.
Little difference. No difference.
Okay, all right. Tell me more about the car. How about his power? Its power.
The car, it's have a rope in the front.
Yes.
I don't know, say the name in English. Guincho.
Okay, I got this word some months ago, but I honestly forgot it. Let me just get it in English. Okay, so in English, it is a wrecker. Okay, wrecker. It has a wrecker.
Okay, wrecker.
Wrecker
Now,
wrecker or tow. Wrecker or tow. Tow. Wrecker or tow.
It's I have a snorkel.
What's
The
this?
same word.
What's this?
Snorkel is equipment.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes.
Dive equipment.
Oh.
Link the mouth.
Yes. With the surface.
Yeah, what surface? Yeah, that's it.
Whoa, man! So that's the function of this thing.
Yes.
Oh man, I've always wanted to know.
I can put inside the water.
Great,
Deep the
man.
water.
Wow.
Wow. And I don't know. Help me say farol.
Okay. You light. Okay, light. Light.
Okay.
But you have different lights in a car. For example, the front light, the two front lights we have. Let me see if I have a car here. No, I don't have a car here. But anyways, the front light is the headlight. Headlight.
Okay.
The back light is the tail. Tail. Like a dog. Tail light. Because you know, cars, a long time ago, the cars, they had a tail. It had a different shape. Today, cars, they don't have a tail. They have a back. But tail light, okay? Tail light, okay?
Okay. Its car. It's have. It's have.
It has.
It has many lights.
Okay, where?
In the front, the headlights.
Headlight.
And in upside, that's it.
On the top.
On the top. So,
Where?
on the top. In the picture. In here.
Okay, so this is a light, like a strong light.
The light. Yes. But I close the light with fabric.
With fabric. Why?
Yeah. Because I don't move without protection.
Okay, you want to protect the light.
I turn on accident.
Okay.
Turn on, I will go blind another drivers.
Okay, I will blind.
I will blind. Yes.
Okay, so it's a very strong light.
Very strong light.
Yes, I will blind, because to blind is a verb. Cegar. Okay, I will blind. So this is a super strong light. This is it's like a Jurassic Park car.
Yes. Maybe I will go against the T-Rex.
The T-Rex, yes. I believe you can do it. With this car, T-Rex, it's going to be afraid of Japan. Because that's a Mitsubishi. So Japan has Gojira. So you have Gojira backup. That's a cool car, man. That's a cool car. What else, man? Tell me more. I love it. Tell me more.
There is a light in the tail.
Okay.
but not usual light tail. Another light, 1 minute. That's light.
Okay.
You see,
Yes.
white light.
What for?
Uh,
Do you
maybe
understand? Do you understand this question? What for?
Yeah. Para quê, né?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, yes.
With lights, you can move to back and see
Okay.
where you go. Where you go.
Yes, yes. Where you're going. Where you're going.
Where you're going.
Great. Yeah, it makes sense. A strong light too.
Yes, a strong light. Then the same lights have in front.
Okay. Wow, man. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Yes.
how I say parachute.
Oh, let me get it. Forgot.
Stop punch.
Yeah, maybe bumper. I don't remember. I think it's bumper, but I'm gonna look here. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's bumper, but I'm gonna make sure. Bumper, yes. So that's it. Bumper.
Bumper.
Yes, bumper.
Or
Bumper. Bumper. Because things bump into it. Bump into it. So it's a bumper. For things to bump.
okay.
But today, cars, this car has a bump. But usually, today, cars, they have no bumps anymore. Because the technology changed, right?
Yes, you're right. The bumper. The bumper.
Bumper.
Okay. Bumper is made. Was made.
Is made.
Is made. Okay. Yes. Is made steel.
Okay.
Or iron.
Okay, so we have two different things, two different materials. Iron is different from steel. And I'm going to give you an example, two examples, and you are going to remember forever. We have Iron Man. This is one material. And we have the Man of Steel.
Okay.
What's steel? Steel is a material that has iron on it. Iron is pure. Iron is pure. And steel is stronger. Steel is stronger, but it's made from iron. And on your car, you have a bumper made of steel. Probably it's not iron, because iron gets the results from the nature, gets the results from oxygen in the air. But steel has natural protection against, because of the mix, because of the other metals they use. So you have a steel bumper. Understand? You don't have an iron bumper, you have a steel bumper. For example, this here. This is a steel watch. It's not iron watch, because iron, it gets destroyed by the oxygen. But this material here, it's a steel watch. So this is forever, like your bumper. It's forever. It's forever.
And bumper tail.
The tail bumper or the back bumper.
Yes, the back bumper is the same.
Okay, he didn't change it.
Didn't change. It's made steel.
It's made of steel too.
It's made of steel too.
Made of steel.
It's made of steel.
Made
of. That's it?
This wallet is made of leather. Okay, made of.
Okay.
Made of.
The seater.
Seeds.
Where I sit?
The seeds.
Seats. Yes. Seats is made of cotton. You say few minutes, but I forgot. Leather. Yes,
No. Leather.
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 Leather. Leather. Leather.
Leather.
Leather. Leather.
Leather.
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
Leather. Okay. This is automatic.
Okay, automatic car. That's good. More comfortable.
I don't say marcha.
You can say gear shift.
Gear. Okay.
Gear shift. Okay, gear, Júlio, gear is similar to motor. It's similar to engine. Gear. Okay?
Okay.
And we have shift. And shift is similar to change. You have a button on your keyboard, and this is the shift button, right? On your keyboard, on your car, on your
yes.
the shift button. If you press the shift button and you write, the letters will be capital.
Okay.
So shift is change, and we have the gear shift, and the gear shift is automatic. Gear shift.
Gear shift. Okay.
Okay.
Nice. And the windows.
Okay.
Car windows. Yes.
The car windows, or just windows. The windows.
Just windows have a film.
Okay, film. It has a film. It's actually, you don't need to say that. You can say they're darker.
They are darker.
Yes, because, Julio, we say taller, shorter, fatter, heavier, faster, slower, and they are adjectives, correct?
Right.
Colors are adjectives too. So, for example, this is greener than this. This is greener than this. Because this is yellow greenish. It's like my car. I don't know the color. It's yellow greenish, and this is greener. It's clearly more green. Clearly more green. So this is your case. The skins are darker. I have dark and I have light. Lighter, darker. One example. Darker, lighter. Okay?
I can say headlight or white liar.
No, you can say whiter, blacker,
White.
darker, brighter.
How I say white? More.
White.
More white. Red. Less red.
Less red.
Yes.
Okay.
The red is less red than red. Vermelho claro. That's it.
Light red.
Light red.
Light red. Because, Julio, we have all the colors actually. Let's take red or blue because it's easy to understand. We have light blue, light red, dark blue, dark red. Okay? Right. So the lights, I don't get the information on the lights. Lighter red. I don't get this information. Can you repeat, please?
That's it.
That's it. You were. You were talking about the windows. The windows, they are darker,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes. I say only for learning
Okay,
the
great.
word.
Great.
Okay?
So considering this, let me just write this for you. I have light, red, blue, green, okay?
Okay. Okay.
And dark, uh, any color, dark yellow, dark gray, dark pink, okay?
It's the same in Portuguese.
Yes, it's the same in Portuguese. It's the same in Portuguese. Same thing.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's go. Um, the wheel.
Steering wheel. Why, Julio? Okay,
Steering.
this here has the shape, this is a button, okay? And it has the shape of a wheel. The shape of a wheel. And this is a LED. The name of this is LED, okay? LED. Tampinha LED. And it has, yes, LED. L-E-D, LED. And it has the shape of a wheel. In the car, you have many things. Sure.
1 minute.
Get it.
Wait. So, I beg.
Okay,
You hear me?
I hear you.
My daughter was coming north.
Great.
Here.
Nice.
Great.
Nice. Your daughter is going to visit you.
Yes.
Great. That's good. Okay, so in a car,
That's good.
you have many wheels, many things with the shape of a wheel. For example, your car has 5 wheels.
Okay.
5 wheels? Yes, 4 wheels on the ground and an extra wheel. But they are not exactly just wheels. They are tires.
Okay.
So we call these wheels tires, okay? Actually, the tire is on the wheel, okay?
Okay.
And depending on the crazy thing you do, you can destroy the tire or destroy the wheel too, depending on how crazy you are. And it happened to me when I was driving on the BR and I got a flat tire because of this. That's it. So you understand wheel, tire, okay? And I have in the car another wheel. But this is the steering wheel. Steering wheel is the wheel that gives directions.
Okay.
Steering wheel. So the steering wheel.
The steering wheel. I say steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
Yes. Only for learning the word.
Okay, all right. Probably you're going to say that the steering wheel is very soft, is very light. Probably.
Yes. Okay. Yes. That's it.
That's it. All right. And what support, what technology support you have inside the car when you are driving the car? For example, you have a leveler. When you drive some cars, you have a leveler to understand the angle the car is going. When you are over a rock or over crazy circumstances, you know the angle you are in. Do you have this in this car?
No, it's don't have.
It doesn't have it.
Correct. It doesn't have.
Or it has no leveler. It has no leveler.
It has no leveler.
It has no leveler. I have no money.
Okay.
I have no girlfriend. It has no leveler.
Okay. It has no leveler. Yes, perfect. I don't forget that.
Great. But
and
yes.
it has
It has.
uh, it has a spare on the back.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's it. The car made in 2018.
2018.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a three-year-old car ish.
No, I missed it. It's 2012.
A 2012 car.
Yes.
Nice. That's good. So you paid a good price for it.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Great. That's good.
A good price because it has many equipment.
Okay. Okay. So it's a 2012 car, but it's a custom 2012 car. So you didn't pay the price for it's a Pajero, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you didn't buy a 2012 Pajero. You buy the custom 2012 Pajero. So the price was a little different, but it was a good price, I imagine, because it's a 2012 car. So I imagine it was a good price, a good negotiation.
Yes. Then the normally Pajero is 45,000.
For 2012,
I don't understand. Repeat, please.
you fabrication. Okay, so you are telling me that a 2012 Pajero is 40 something, 44 ish, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And I pay. How I say best?
Paid. I paid.
I paid. Yes, paid. 48.
Okay. All right.
Oh,
So you paid 4,000 more, 3,000 more for the equipment.
yes.
It's a good deal.
3,000 more da avaliação, tabela FII,
Okay.
o preço, né? Usual
Price. Usual
Thanks.
price. So if we consider this, the tires, all the equipment, I mean, the 3,000, that's nothing.
Yes, not.
That's
Yes.
nothing. Because just by looking to the tires, I imagine you have more than 3,000 just on the tires.
Yes.
Easily.
Just on each tire, it's like
Each tire is. Don't say each tire it's. Because each tire is already the subject. So each tire is
each tire is like
around, is about.
about each tire is about 1,000.
All right.
800.
Okay. And now the prices are higher.
Yes.
Because of the pandemic, tires today are very expensive.
Yes,
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes, I know. I'm talking, you are my student, but I have other students in other areas. And I have conversations about many things. And today on the market, tires are very expensive. Parts of cars are very expensive. You know that cars and motorcycles are also expensive, and hardware for computer very expensive. Very expensive.
Do you know why?
I know why.
Do you know why?
I know why. Why? Because of the lockdown. Júlio, we have extra products for any reason, for anything. We have many products. But the industry was locked and it stopped producing a little for a time. And some companies, they made some decisions to stop some products, to stop to produce some products. But the market wants these products. But they don't have these products anymore. So considering this, considering the pandemic, the lockdown, some decisions companies made considering coronavirus and this uncertain market, uncertain situation, uncertain and incerta. Industry stopped a little. So if you want some equipment, it's difficult. If you want some products, today it's difficult to find them and they are more expensive. For example, I remember you and Lael were talking about motorcycles when I were with you. And I have a student, and this student, he has a Harley Davidson 2018 or 19 or 2014, whatever. He bought this Harley Davidson for 24K, okay? And he's selling today his Harley Davidson for 31 or 32. And the price of a Harley Davidson, it's not in reals, it's always in dollars. So he uses the bike, and the bike is okay. He takes care of his things, but he's making, man, like 7,000-8,000 more because there are no Harley Davidsons on the market, and that's just one example. Tires, computer hardware, many things. If you want them, you gotta wait or you gotta spend more money. So you made a good deal considering the tires, and I can see the tires are just fine.
Yes, it's all adaptations.
They are all custom.
Okay, all custom was making in March.
So it was made in March last year.
Yes.
So people didn't use the car because of the pandemic and lockdown and everything.
Yes.
Wow.
And he needs balls. Saving.
He needed money.
Because he wants to buy the house.
Okay. All right. Okay. So good job, Julio.
Good job.
Nice. You helped your friend, and that's good because I when I like something, and I imagine your friend he liked this car a lot, and I prefer to sell the things I like to people I know.
Okay.
I prefer to do this. I don't know because I can see the car sometimes. People taking care of the car, people taking care of this or that. I like it. And wow, man, good negotiation. Happy for you. That's cool.
Cool.
That's cool. And that's just a badass car. It looks like a Batmobile. You know the Batmobile? In Portuguese, we say bat car. We say bat car. But in English, it's Batmobile. And it looks like a Batmobile.
Batmobile.
T-Rex is going to be afraid.
Yes,
that's great. Man, 10 minutes to go. Okay? But before correcting your homework, because we are talking about cars, I'm going to show you 2 reels. Reels I created for cars. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is the first reel I created for cars. And maybe you are going to understand some vocabulary I have here. Okay?
Need over native language to learn English.
For example, this is the wheel, and this is the tire. This is the headlight, and this is the taillight. This is the mirror, and that's the steering wheel. And I am the driver. Okay, this is one, and this is another one. You don't need your native language to learn English. For example, repeat, please.
Sorry. All mirror the same name?
No. you have the side mirrors, you have the rear view mirror. So side view mirror, basically, Julio, basically mirrors and rear view mirror. So mirrors, you have the mirrors, okay?
Okay.
And rear view mirror. Rear view mirror. Rear, traseira, view, visão traseira, espelho. Rear view mirror. Rear
Okay.
view
Rear.
rear view mirror. Okay? Rear view mirror. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And this is a second one with a little more words for you. A few more
Use your
words.
native language to learn English. For example, that's the door handle, and that's the handbrake. That's the gear shift. That's the brake, and that's the gas pedal.
Oh,
Gas
really?
pedal.
All right. Okay.
Gas pedal.
Gas pedal.
Pedal.
Gas pedal. Okay? I remember a song, gas pedal, gas pedal. I remember a song here, gas pedal. No? Okay. Julio, let's correct your homework from last class.
Okay.
Let's do it, man. So your homework, and let me share the screen with you here. And, oops. Whoa, not Grazielli, Julio. Simple past. Alrighty then. How many minutes I have? 6 minutes. I can do it. All right. What did you say, man? I'm sorry.
I will go fast.
Yes, you can read fast if you can. But that's okay. You don't need to hurry. It's okay. Because I believe it's also good for the next student to see part of other class, understand? I think that's good. Julio, please read for me. Most of your homework is correct, okay? But I want you to read it for the pronunciation. Julio, read for me, please, the question and the answer.
Did you go to the party yesterday? Did you go to the party yesterday?
Repeat, Julio. Did you go to the party yesterday?
It's fast. This was fast.
Did you go to the party yesterday?
Yes. Did you go to the party yesterday? Did you go to the party yesterday? Party.
Party.
Did you go to the party yesterday?
Very good.
Did you go to the party yesterday? Yes, I went to the party yesterday.
Very good.
Yes, I went to the party yesterday.
Perfect. Next.
Did you go downtown? Yes, I went downtown.
Very good. Next.
Did you buy milk in the supermarket?
Repeat, please, Julio. Supermarket. Did you buy milk in the supermarket?
Did you buy milk in the supermarket?
Perfect.
Yes, I bought. Yes, I'm bought milk in the supermarket.
This is not correct, okay?
It's not correct?
No, Julio. Because I'm not asking you using the verb to be, are you? I'm asking you in the past. So this is not necessary. I bought.
Okay. Yes. I see.
Repeat, please, your answer.
Yes, I bought milk in the supermarket.
Very good. And Julio, when you say I see, that's very correct. Very correct. Oh, I see. That's perfect. I see, Julio, it's not exactly I see. I see is I understand. In English, I see is I understand. Okay?
Okay.
Very good use. Very good use. Next.
Did you use the computer last night? Did you use the computer last night? Did you use the computer last night? Yes, I used the computer last night.
Computer.
Computer.
Very good. But computer, it's okay too. It's okay too.
Computer. Yes. Did you stay at the club for the 2 hours? Yes, I stayed at the club for 2 hours.
Very good. And Julio, I'm very happy that you are using the structure of the question. That's perfect, man, because when you do it, people will understand you. Okay?
Did you go to the party yesterday? Party. Did you to the party yesterday?
Did you go?
No,
Did you go to the party yesterday?
Did you go to the party? Did you go to the party yesterday? No, I didn't go to the party yesterday.
Perfect.
Did you go downtown? No, I didn't go downtown.
Perfect. Very good.
This is simple and easy. Supermarket is hard. Let's go. Did you buy milk in the supermarket? No, I didn't buy milk in the supermarket.
Supermarket. Supermarket. Repeat, please, Julio. Did you buy milk in a supermarket? No, I didn't buy milk in the supermarket.
I didn't buy milk in the supermarket.
Perfect. Next.
Did you use the computer last night? No, I didn't use the computer last night.
Very good. Next.
Did you stay at the club for 2 hours? No, I didn't stay at the club for 2 hours. I went to Miami.
Miami Beach.
I went to Miami Beach 2 years ago.
Very good. And probably you know the sand in Miami Beach is different. The sand. You understand sand?
Yes.
Yes, it's different. It's thinner. It's thinner.
Okay.
It's very thin. Next.
I got up. Yes.
Yes,
I got
perfect.
up, brushed my teeth, and went to work.
Perfect.
She she lost. Okay. She lost all her documents.
But Julio, your answer is also correct. Also correct. Okay? Your answer is not wrong, Julio. Now, I am seeing your answer and I think it's possible. Oh, she got all her documents. She received it. She took. That's it. She got all her documents. So your answer is also correct, okay?
You give me a star. Little star.
And here,
Okay.
here is your star.
Okay.
You have your star. Okay. Good job, for real. Good job. That's good. Next.
I already saw the move.
That
saw
movie.
that move.
Okay.
It's already.
Yes, already. But don't say move. It's movie. I already saw that movie. I already saw that movie.
I already saw the movie.
Very good. Next.
How long did you stay at the hotel? Did you go to church last weekend? Did you go to the church last weekend? Let's go. Next. On my last birthday, I got many presents.
And that's it. Your next homework, Julio, is going to be about prepositions. Okay? Prepositions. In, at, in. Okay, I believe it's dirty.
Dirty.
Okay, now it's better. Now it's better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Now it's better.
Oil on my finger, oil. Understand?
Yes.
Sweating. But today's a cold day, right? Today's a cold day.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Out of nowhere, suddenly, yesterday was okay, not hot, was okay. And today's a cold day.
Yes.
But your next homework. Yes.
Conditional air.
I don't understand this conditional air. Air condition.
Yeah, air condition. Yes. That name is
it's
the name is.
What do you want to say? I didn't get it. What do you want to say?
The clean cold air, the machine.
Oh, AC. Very simple. It's AC from air conditioner. But in United States, they never say air conditioner. They just say AC. For example, Americans, they understand television, but they don't say television. They say TV, AC, TV. Okay? So it's like an air conditioner outside. I don't hear.
I have inside. I have air AC.
You have AC in your office, right?
Yes.
Great. I got it. But outside, I don't know how it's outside. But today, in the morning, for example, it was a little cold. Yes.
You're right.
Julio, your next homework, it's going to be about two important things in English. Prepositions, at, in, and on. When can you use at? When do you use on? When do you use in? And irregular past. Because most of the past, they are worked, watched, walked. But we have some irregular past. Okay?
Okay.
Julio, I was going to make you wait a little to talk to my next student, but my next student is late. Anyways, you are free to go. Thank you very much for the class you gave me about your car, and congratulations for the product you've bought, man. Congratulations. First of all, it looks beautiful. It's badass, but it's also cool and beautiful. So congratulations, man. You deserve it. Great car.
Okay, thank you.
Sure thing.
I invited you to the trip.
Great.
Right.
To drive. We drive cars.
Okay.
You ride a bike, you ride a horse, and you drive a car. Okay? Thank you very much, man. You have a great weekend. Have a nice beer. Have a good time with your family, and see you on Monday, okay?
Okay. See you.
See you, man. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Bye.
Thank you for you.